Now it's time for Jumpin' with Julius. Hello, fellow river lovers, and welcome to another episode of Jumpin' with Julius, our lessons on all things H2O. Have you ever visited a river and noticed that the water moves at different speeds depending on the location? The fast parts make sure that the water get all the way to Lake Michigan. The slow parts are also important. They are a habitat for aquatic life, and they also reduce the erosion of the land on the banks of the river. When you look at a river, what things do you see that make it slow down? If you said the grass along the riverbanks, you'd be right. If you also thought of the way the river meanders and snakes to the land, you would also be correct. Wouldn't it be cool if we could do a model of the river speed and have a competition to see who could make the slowest river model? Well, that's what we're doing on this lesson of Jumping with Julius. Let's jump in. For this model, you'll need the following: a large bin, a marble or ball, a stopwatch, dirt or clay, a book or block, a small amount of grass or plants, a tape measure, and a pencil and paper. To get started, put your bin on a flat surface and elevate it 1 inch using a book or block. Now, to measure how fast the ball or water moves, we'll need to take 2 measurements: the distance and the time of the ball moving. Write those on your paper like so. Now, measure your bin and write it in the box. The time will be how fast the ball goes from the top of the bin to the bottom. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make the ball take as long as possible while still reaching the bottom. Gather sticks, clay, dirt, mud, plants, grass, anything you want to add to the bin. Think about what you saw at the river to get inspiration from nature. When you're ready, drop the ball at the top of the bin and start the timer. Stop the timer when you've reached the end and mark the time. For the last step, divide your distance by your time on a calculator and you have your speed of the water. The slower, the better. Competition time. Compete with others to see who can get the slowest river time. Who do you think will win, me or my partner Molly? Ready, set, go! Wow, a time of 4.19 seconds. As you can see, Molly's strategy of having multiple paths gave her a longer time compared to mine. If you divide that by the distance, you can get the speed of the ball, which is 4.3 inches per second, meaning she was the winner! Now it's your turn. Try to beat Molly and I's time and post your speed in the comments. What strategies did you use? Did your model look like a real river? Let us know. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about our river's speed and shape. Remember to take care of yourselves and our rivers, and I'll catch you next week on Jumping with Julius.